Hello, friends! Welcome to the leaf pile!
Nestled under a soft pile of leaves, Lily the ladybug woke up from her long winter sleep. She stretched her little legs and blinked her bright eyes.
Oh, my spots! I wonder what is waiting for us in the garden today.
Lily climbed up a bright green plant. On the soft new leaves, she saw tiny, pale green bugs.
Aphids! Don't worry, little plant. I'm a garden hero, and I will protect your new leaves.
All day long, the ladybugs zipped from leaf to leaf, munching pesky aphids and keeping the plants strong and happy.
We are garden heroes, keeping the plants safe.
When spring turned to summer, Lily began to look for a special place for her eggs. She tucked tiny yellow eggs under a leaf, right by a big aphid buffet.
Good night, little eggs. Breakfast will be waiting for you.
A few days later, the eggs began to wiggle. Out crawled long, wiggly, spiky babies called larvae. "We're hungry!" they shouted, chomping aphids on roses and tomatoes until their tummies felt round and full. Soon the larvae grew so much that their skins felt tight. One by one, they hooked their back ends to sturdy stems and became still little pupa. The garden grew very quiet as the tiny shells hung and napped. Inside the shells, there was a big change going on. After many days, a pupa wiggled and cracked. Out crawled a soft, pale ladybug who slowly turned bright red with shiny black spots. Soon, new ladybugs were everywhere. They bumped into leaves and each other and giggled, while Lily smiled proudly at her new leaf pile friends. She led them to tender bean plants covered in aphids. They munched and crunched on the aphids until the leaves were clean and the plants could grow tall and strong. The days grew cooler and leaves drifted down to the ground. Winter was coming. Lily led her friends to a soft, cozy pile of leaves. The ladybugs snuggled under the leaves, safe and warm. The garden rested, the ladybugs rested, and together they dreamed of springtime, when they would wake up to care for nature all over again. When we leave the leaves, tiny helpers like Lily the ladybug can help keep our gardens healthy. Every small creature has an important job, and nature grows best when we live in balance with it. Now it's your turn, backyard scientist. See if you can answer this question.